What if your phone's camera could fly? I'm not talking about a silly accessory. I'm talking about a full-blown, mini drone, with a 200 megapixel camera, tucked right inside your smartphone. It sounds like science fiction, but today, we're diving into the phone that's about to change everything. This is the rumored Vivo Drone Camera Phone, and it's unlike anything you've ever seen. Forget everything you know about smartphone photography. Vivo is working on a device that houses a flying drone camera right in its chassis. This isn't just a gimmick, it's a game changer. Imagine capturing breathtaking aerial videos of a concert, a group photo from an impossible angle, or a stunning landscape shot without ever leaving your spot. So, what's under the hood of this futuristic beast? Let's break down the leaks that have the tech world buzzing. So let's start. Display. Get ready for a visual feast on a massive 6.95-inch display. It's not just big, it's incredibly sharp, a QHD LTPO OLED panel, meaning your photos and videos will look stunning. And for a buttery smooth experience, whether you're gaming or watching that drone footage fly back, it's rumored to pack a super fast 144Hz refresh rate plus, with Gorilla Glass Armor Plus and an IP69 rating. This phone is built to withstand more than just a drop. Camera setup. Now, for the star of the show. The main event is the 200 megapixel wide-angle drone camera. This is the camera that can pop out and fly, capture photos and videos from angles you never thought possible. But that's not all. For your on-the-ground shots, the phone is rumored to have a pro-level rear camera setup, a 108 megapixel primary sensor, a 48 megapixel ultra-wide lens for those sweeping panoramas, and a 12 megapixel telephoto shooter for getting up close and personal. Performance. Powering this innovative device is none other than Qualcomm's rumored Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset. This means blazing fast performance, seamless multitasking, and a phone that can handle anything you throw at it. All running on the latest Android 16, for a smooth and intuitive user experience. Battery and charging. To keep this powerhouse going, Vivo is reportedly packing a massive 8500 mAh battery. And when you do need to refuel, you'll be back in action in no time with a blazing 150-watt wired fast charging. Price and launch date. The price is rumored to be around $1,900 in the USA. Now, that's a flagship price, but for a device that's an entirely new class of smartphone, it might just be worth it. As for the launch date, leaks hint at a first 2026 release.